Your Excellency, you know I went to a school whose name I would, even if I told you, you will not be able to find it. When I bet you would know perhaps a school somewhere huko Ahero, inaitwa Onjiko. If you ask anybody in Kenya, they wouldn't tell you what the hell is that school. Now you people have the opportunity to be in a school that has not only been started, but has been graced by His Excellency the President. Sasa, hii ni shule inatajika. If I went to a school that was not recognized and I'm the Member of Parliament for Mathare, you should know that to whom more is given, more is expected. Isn't it? Mutafanya? Mutasoma? You know now you have no reason to stop at being MP. President atakaa hapa mpaka 2032. Akimaliza, I expect some of you mwanze kutafuta hizi vitu. My second point, Your Excellency, these students represent the face of Kenya. Because Nairobi has all tribes. Na ukiwa unaona hawa wako hapa, you have touched people in homes in the entire Republic of Kenya. When we left status 2 days ago, we had 165 calling letters. Your Excellency, by yesterday at 6 p.m., when I was on phone and Madam Principal, asante for having the backbone to take the pressure. Your Excellency, I was cancelling this meeting on your behalf. Because 220, she told me she had a list of 220 and I didn't know how I was going to come back to the President. But this is because when the parents realized the opportunity that was being opened for them, everybody wanted to come to this school. My last point, which I told you parents, habari yenu parents muko? Sasa niwasikie na niliwaambia wale wangu huko wa Mathare, mukisema ile wimbo nasikianga huko sijui ati Ruto. Ruto anaenda wapi? Full stop ni 2030? 2030? Niliwaambia mambo ya mwisho. Ule ameamuka kwa nyumba ya mama yako asubuhi, huyo ndio baba ya? Niliwaambia juzi. Nani aliamuka kwenyu asubuhi ile siku mulikuwa shule? Anaitwa nani? Anaitwa William Samoei Ruto. Huyo ndio baba yenu. God bless you.
Thank you so much. And Your Excellency, I just want to confirm here that all the girls have school uniform. Kila mtu ako nayo, si ndio? Kila msichana hapa ashalipiwa school fees yake yote. Imelipwa, haijalipwa? Na kila msichana pia amefanyiwa shopping yake. Kutoka mattress, bed sheets, hadi kulikuwa na wenye walikuwa nataka golden bells, kuna wenye walitaka kamusi, yote tayari imelipwa. And ladies and gentlemen, I want you all to be upstanding and welcome His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Karibu sana, Your Excellency.
Asanteni sana. Tafadhali.